Another installment in the ongoing West Indies cricket saga has unfolded. Earlier this week, the Trinidadian trio of Sunil Narine, Darren Bravo and Karen Pollard, as well as Jamaican Andre Russell, declined the invitation of Cricket West Indies to play in the upcoming World Cup qualifiers, instead opting to play in the Pakistan Super League T20 competition. Now, the actions of the players have drawn the ire of many, including, of course, the Cricket West Indies president Dave Cameron, who appeared on TVJ's Iron Sports earlier this week, and even West Indies legend Sir Andy Roberts. Cameron says the Trinidadian trio may never represent the West Indies again, while Roberts subsequently said he would never pick them again, nor would he have granted them no objection certificates to play in the Pakistan League. Incidentally, this comes just a few weeks after Jamaican Andre Russell spoke of the reason for the decline of West Indies cricket, focusing on the lack of world-class facilities. But here it is that the team will be trying to qualify for the World Cup, and some of the region's best players, including Russell himself, have chosen not to play in the qualifying tournament. Now, the good news is that Cameron says the decision will not affect Russell's eligibility to represent the West Indies in the future, meaning if the side does make it to cricket's showpiece, Russell could still feature. Because as every cricket fan is aware, Russell would be a key piece if the West Indies are to have any chance at the 2019 Cricket World Cup. But again, the decision is just another installment in the never-ending saga between the players and the board. I mean, one can't necessarily blame the players for their decision. The players were first told that they would not be eligible to play for the team if they didn't participate in the regional tournaments. But then the West Indies fell to 9th in the standings, meaning they had to play in the qualifying tournament. And all of a sudden, a player amnesty came about, allowing the best players to once again play. And on the heels of the announcement that the players were unavailable, mysteriously, Cameron has announced that the amnesty is now off. It all just seems like one big mess. Having said that, it was good to hear no less a person than Chris Gayle expressing confidence in the team this week, as a failure for the two-time World Cup winners, the West Indies, to qualify for the World Cup will only serve to push cricket further into the doldrums in the region. I'm Jordan Fort. Good evening.